Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake in the oven. First, ensure all your ingredients, especially cream cheese, are at room temperature for a smooth batter. Combine crushed graham crackers with melted butter and a touch of sugar. Press this mixture evenly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. This creates a sturdy and delicious base for your creamy cheesecake. Chill the crust while you prepare the filling. Next, beat softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth and lump-free. Gradually mix in the sugar, followed by the eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Stir in vanilla extract and a spoonful of sour cream for that signature tangy flavor and extra creaminess. To prevent cracks, wrap the bottom of your springform pan tightly with heavy-duty aluminum foil. This prepares it for a crucial water bath. Carefully pour your cheesecake batter over the chilled crust. Place the foil-wrapped springform pan into a larger roasting pan. Fill the roasting pan with hot water, reaching about 1 inch up the sides of the springform. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. This water bath ensures even baking. Cool slowly, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Once fully chilled, carefully remove the springform pan. Run a thin, warm knife around the edge of the cheesecake to prevent sticking and ensure a clean release. Now, it's time to get creative with your toppings. Fresh berries, a rich chocolate ganache, or a vibrant fruit compote all make excellent choices. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly baked cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.